winners are 1/6 Hill Silver from Reliance Foundation. Team number 173 Shivpal Singh from Uttar Pradesh. Team number 178 Uttam Patil from Maharashtra. Team number 160 Rohit Yadav from Uttar Pradesh. Team number 182 Vikrant Malik from Reliance Foundation. Team number 140 Majinder Singh from Punjab. Team number 128 Harish Kumar from CISF. Team number 107 Anand Singh from Uttar Pradesh. Team number 176 Sunny Sharon from Army. Team number 108 Anil Gase from Army, PSCB. Team number 145 Nitesh Yadav from Army. Team number 170 Shashank Patil from Karnataka. Javelin throw men's under 20. Mr. Gopal Ghosh, who is the level 1 technical official of AFI. Accompanying guest will be Dr. Jaivan Mane, Director of Physical Education and Sports of KMC College. 72.68. Technical official. The winner of the bronze medal, Gaurav Patel, representing Reliance Foundation, with a performance of 66.10 meter. 72.00. The winner of the silver medal, Rohit Yadav from UP.
Event which I think we were all looking forward to. We're starting off with the because we're watching live action in the men's javelin throw. I'm joined here by someone who's you can look at Shakti Singh there at the back. We've got the stars watching this action, and coming up is Rohit Yadav of Uttar Pradesh, 83.40. I kept the name in suspense. Joining me is Tejas Ashok Sirse. The national games, if you remember, you watched, he won the 110 meters hurdles, beating some of the top names. He's training here at Ulve at the Reliance Academy. It's his first venture into the world of broadcasting, I presume. I know when you are at the 110 hurdles, as we look at the first round, this is Vikrant Malik. He's got 81.74. And I know when you go at the start point of the 110 hurdles, you have no butterflies. But out here today, a few butterflies in your stomach?
Firstly, Milind sir, thank you so much. It's really an honor to be, commentating alongside with you. And yes, as you said, it's definitely butterflies. When you're out there, you're performing. I think I'm just used to it. Performances हमने अभी देखे, and we are hoping to see some good and for the throws.
Manjinder Singh, Punjab. He's amongst the 6 who's made it to the final straight away. On the runway, like a Boeing 777 or a Boeing 747 or an Airbus junior boys. They were all around 65, 67. There's the national record of 86.48 was created in 2016. This is a quiz question to you. Who would have done that?
I don't think any other than Neeraj Chopra in India is capable of doing that at this moment. But I see a lot of youngsters coming up and they are doing really, really great. So, you know, I will.
Started 59.50 for Harish Kumar. That he's not going to be happy, Tejas, with that figure.
No, definitely not. The competition goes.
We're looking at Anand Singh representing Uttar Pradesh. Well, look at that control, Tejas. Take us through what goes through the mind of a javelin thrower like a hurdler when you are there at the start point, you are there on your runway, you check yourself, make sure that you don't foul. You may drop to 84, 85, 86. I'm talking
things when he is on the start line or when he is starting to get a throw. जैसे कि यहाँ पर अभी अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं सनी शेवरान. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो सिर्फ ये सोच रहे हैं कि they are just focusing on the next process and how they can just throw it further.
You know, I'm going to go back to some figures. Yesterday, the AFI or DFO yesterday decided that out of the 12, 6 of them get an automatic qualification. Manjinder Singh, Rohit Yadav 83.40. Sahil Silwal of Reliance, I'm sure you know him extremely well and we'll talk about him. 68.92 for Sunny Sheeran. And then continuing as we look at Anil Rohidas from the PSCB. Now that stutter there, he's got to over 67, 68. You think that stutter there perhaps cost him a wee bit?
Definitely, when you are on the start line, you have to be confident and you have to believe in what you are doing to do, because 1 millisecond and any.
Pulsing 86.23. He's here today. 86.23. Well, I've got goosebumps, Tejas. I'm sure you have.
Wow, that's a great throw. That's really a great throw. And I think he has come out of a lot of time away from the track. So it is surprising that he could throw so far.
Yes, Shivpal Singh representing Uttar Pradesh. And then completing Uttam Patil 80.42. Maharashtra not very strong. You've been a part of the contingent. Do you remember any names in the javelin as a youngster representing Maharashtra?
When I was growing up, I have seen Uttam Patil, who is also here, who is also competing over here, and he has been the senior most player in the javelin throw. I know it doesn't go so deep, but I mean, you can't blame. Like, India is so good in the javelin throws. It has to be 80 plus throws.
He's got 80.43. And then, of course, the last of them, Vikrant Malik, 81.74. The two Reliance boys, Tejas, you've been staying with them. You've been having a meal with them on the second floor of a wonderful complex.
To perform when it's time to show everything you have done.
A southpaw. Well, that's gone into the heavens, waiting for a pilot perhaps to catch it. He's close to 80. Tejas, early round, no one seems to be getting close to 80. Is it a warm-up, you think? Do they do that? 73.110. So my point is, no one here in going into round 2 has been anywhere close to the 80 mark.
Sir, I don't think so. It's warm-up throws, because I think every javelin thrower wants to. जितना मुझे पता है इसके बारे में, they want to take a good throw, good attempt in their first attempt itself, because that puts a pressure on the other competitors, and they also get very confident in that.
This was Shivpal Singh.
Yeah, this was Shivpal Singh, and this was his second attempt. He's from UP. It is 71.39. I don't think he will be very happy with that.
So we are into round 2 of the event here. The national record 89.94. Gosh, 89.94. Do we need to tell you the name once again? I can keep on asking you this quiz question. The easiest quiz question that you can ever have, isn't it?
Actually, I have a question. Do you think it can be broken today?
Well, if that happens, I'll tell you, the Geo Institute will celebrate tomorrow, and we will celebrate tomorrow. Neeraj Chopra would be told, Mr. Chopra, your record of 89.94, you thought it can't be broken? Come on, Neeraj. No, but I think it's a tough one. It's a tough one for sure.
No, it's a definitely tough one. If we can get a 89 throw here, that will be something, nothing less than a miracle here. But as we have seen, the competition goes deep. 86, Shivpal have already thrown 86, so it is not hard to believe that India can do great throws outside 84, 85, 86.
I'm just going to compare Rohit Yadav, graduated from the junior ranks to the senior ranks. He won a gold last year. Rohit Yadav, his personal best is 83.40, sixth at the 2022 Commonwealth Games. So he's got the experience. Oh, he's close to 80, Tejas.
Yeah, he definitely got the experience. And मैं कल ही रोहित से बात कर रहा था. He seems to, I asked him, when are you going to throw the 90 meters? And he says that हमारा अभी plan है कि हम लोग 2 साल तक अच्छे से training करेंगे, and then I'm gonna plan for the 90 meters. So I think he has his timeline fixed and he's working towards it. So I think we just have to give them time.
Yes, time is the essence. Here's the other boy, Vikrant Malik, 74.61 in round 1. Vikrant Malik, who was not there in at the national games. Now that area, Tejas, where again close to 80. I think this is like, I keep on giving this example of cricket. You take your first run, the confidence comes to you, then get a 4, confidence.
जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा सर कि क्रिकेट इज समथिंग टोटली डिफरेंट. यू हैव टू सेट द पेस, यू हैव टू रियली लाइक स्टार्ट स्लो एंड यू कैन फॉलो थ्रू लाइक दैट. पर मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे हर कोई जैवलिन थ्रोअर चाहता है कि पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में अपना बेस्ट थ्रो निकाल के देखे, क्योंकि उनकी एनर्जी भी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंड होने वाली है एज सुन एज दे गो डीप इनटू द कंपटीशन.
दिस इज Manjinder also amongst our top,
that people are going to come there, and if you slack, it is going to be hard on you to win. So हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं अभी Anand has thrown his second attempt.
So yes, they're creeping now, as one would say, creeping now. And again, the same, I asked someone else in a chat, I think over the last 2 days, 6 attempts here for the javelin throwers. You get 1 chance. I'm going to actually note down. The other question, which before I come back to the chances, everyone now has a hairstyle like Neeraj Chopra.
I don't think they are influenced by his hairstyle, but his dedication and willpower.
Yes, a little over 61. So I'm going back to that.
And the wind is the part of this sport, because it's an outdoor sport, so they really have to adjust to that, and that's where they will show their true mastery in this event.
Yes. So would you then say get into a position where you aim somewhere for the left as you're looking from the player, from the thrower, so even if it does swirl, it still gets into the middle, rather than come here to look at the big guns.
अभी थ्रो करने वाले हैं शशांक पाटिल, and ये है उनका runway, and let's see how far he is going to throw now. There's this technique, and that goes around somewhere around 7 support because ये है javelin का master, and I think he really needs that one good throw to prove himself and solidify his place into javelin master of India.
Look at that excitement there. Look at that excitement. This is what we want from the spectators, isn't it?
Yes, the excitement is building up now, and let's see how far he's going to throw now. ये है runway. He stops right there because I don't think he was very confident in his runway, so he will get another chance because he did not cross the line. It will not be a foul.
Now this is where does the mental part come in here?
Even if he stops right there, if he feels like something was off, he should adjust his mind and then be able to throw. As he threw now, let's see if he readjusted his mind and threw a good throw.
Yes, not bad. Not bad after the move very quickly. You may be the best thrower. And I'm not going to take names. It does. So you cut yourself off, isn't it? That's what would you do that?
I mean, it really depends what is going on in your mind at that point, because you really have to not think about anything else but the throw.
This man, Shivpal Singh, if you look at him, 1995, he's 30 years old. They just are, if you want to talk about the hurdlers, a lot of them have come from outer space, literally. And when I mean that, they are one in a lifetime born.
They are an anomaly.
They are absolutely. Uttam Patil, incidentally, he's a services boy, 1994, so he's not young as well. He's 25 plus 6, 31, and he is the 2024 inter-services
throws remaining. So let's hope for the best and देखते हैं अभी क्या करते हैं ये लोग.
Well, when you talk of the
not to be disappointed that you got out, but it's to look back that what lacked. Why are you not even in the finals, and why you did not perform to your best? I don't think it's fair on the guys who are throwing good to have to wait for 12 guys to finish and then throw. So here's Rohit Yadav in his third attempt. Somewhere around 80, sir. Don't you think it's...
Yes, this is good. I think he is now peaking 4.5. He should be amongst...
Vikrant Malik. And ये है javelin का असली शिकारी. Speed, full focus, और ये उनका runway. ये निकला throw. Nope, not above 80, sir.
Not above... well, it's short of 78, which Rohit had attempted. Vikrant, Rohit, take it for granted. Our CISF are a tough blokes, but they are such a passionate people. They look at citizens with so much of pride.
Anand Singh from UP. This is his third attempt. He seems pretty pumped up after the throw.
Games.
70. Here he seems to be throwing quite less than his prospect, but. Let's see, there are still 2 more attempts.
Nitish Yadav stepping in now. We've been going in for about 27 minutes of action.
काफी ऊंची थी ये throw.
28.45. You have bib number 182, which is Vikrant Malik with 76.09, and then in the third place is 163, your friend Sahil Silwal, and then into the fourth position as we now look at the fourth of the throws out here. In
Pele, all we could see was self-belief, nothing else.
So remember that word, self-belief. Well, that's the right there. That's the right. How much of an impact you think, even for a hurdler, for example?
For hurdles, it's really difficult because we have a set pattern of strides, and if there is too much wind from behind, we can really get close to the hurdles. और उसकी वजह से फिर हम लोग गिर भी सकते हैं hurdle के ज़्यादा close होने की वजह से. मगर जब सामने से wind आती है so it also affects your speed. So yes, we will discuss that in shortly. But now Sahil is on his 4th attempt. So there's his runway. He's a left-handed.
So I love southpaws as they are called, a left-handed.
This is a far from 80. He is disappointed with that throw.
He's got a wonderful physique, doesn't he have?
He has a very flexible physique, and I see these guys doing their drills in the gym, and these guys are really flexible. I mean, I have done gymnastics for 2 years, but even I'm not that flexible. Is on his 4th attempt now. देखते हैं विक्रांत क्या जलवा दिखाते हैं अभी अपने आर्म से.
Javier Sotomayor, Tejas, the high jumper from Cuba, said that pattern of trying to pump himself through the crowd, it's now become a fashion. It's become a trait. Fashion could be a wrong word, but it's become a trait to encourage yourself.
Oh, he stops right there. He stops right there because he did not.
That's his voice. With me, Tejas Shirse, 110 meters hurdles, national games champion, national champion. That's close, isn't it? Now he's getting closer.
They are getting closer, but I think they are also tired right now because you can see the fatigue is only. I'm not really sure. Perfect release angle है वो 34 to 30 degrees. जैसे उनका वो release point होता है 34 to 36 degrees is what they are looking for most of the time. Too high or too low and you lose the distance. Rohit Yadav, Khush, they are attempting their last throw now. So I think they all should just gather their gratitude, the hard work they have done, and just go for this last throw.
So Shivpal 74.16.
प्रेशर सिचुएशन है, आखिरी थ्रो है, मेडल लाइन पर है और वो चैंपियन माइंडसेट दिखाएंगे या नहीं. और मुझे लगता है इन्हें अब काफी अटेम्प्ट्स मिलेंगे सर, क्योंकि ये पहला कंपटीशन है साल का एंड वी आर ओनली इन द मार्च राइट नाउ, सो देयर इज अ लॉट टाइम. दे हैव फेडरेशन कप, दे हैव सम कॉम्पिटिशंस टू गेट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर.
And of course the international exposure that our athletes get now.
ये है रनवे और जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, he is very flexible and look at that flexibility and the throw.
His best has been 8 to commentator. I've had veterans sitting with me. Shakti is a wonderful speaker. O.P. Karana is a wonderful speaker, a good communicator.
That's really a great compliment. I will take it as a compliment, sir. It is coming from you, so मैं तो काफी खुश हूँ. मगर विक्रांत मलिक यहाँ पर खुश नहीं होंगे. Yes, that was a very bitter feeling for me. तो जैसे कि मैं बेल्जियम में था, ब्रसल्स में, और मैंने आज तक एक भी फाउल नहीं किया है और मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो भी फाउल था. But I was thrown out basically, and I felt relief in that. I will get back to that story. 6th throw of Sahil Silwal, final throw. Here is his runway, and let's see what is capable of now. The enthusiasm was there, but he is not really happy with that.
Yadav continues to be one. In fact, I think that's the end of the. No, we have Shivpal. So Rohit Yadav is in 1. He continues to be there. Vikrant Malik 2, and Patil 3. Shivpal is in 4. This is the one which might decide whether he slips into 3-2.
Oh, that was a good throw.
Oh,
but sir, wouldn't you agree that कल अगर उन्होंने 86 throw किया है, so why has it come down to under 80 now? This much of difference. Why is this happening?
Yes, that's a good point. But look at that final attempt there. Look at that final. Oh,
70 हार नहीं होता. आज है ये मौका लिखने का नया इतिहास. बस एक और कदम और जीत होगी आपके पास. मगर लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे जीत उनके हाथों से छूटती चली जा रही है सर.
I'll wait for something interesting to tell you, Tejas. That's one.
Oh, that's a good throw.
Is this going to change the fortunes? Tejas, हम कह रहे हैं कि रोहित 1 है, विक्रांत 2 है, अब देखो शायद पूरा जो मैप है वो बदल जाने वाला है शायद.
पाटिल 6th attempt था उनका 76.66. He won't be going forward for bronze. मगर विक्रांत मलिक आखिरी थ्रो के लिए ये निकला भाला.
Also,
They judge you. You feel good after whatever you can do. Just do it, you know.
well, I'm going to remember those words.
At the end of the day, if you are happy, everything seems to be working out for you.
Oh, look at that now! Look at that!
Rohit will be happy.
Yes, he's clinched it, I think.
He knows that he got the win, but I'm pretty sure that he was expecting for more. But he looks pretty happy with that throw. I think with his preparation at this point of the year, he is